Well, hey fam, welcome to our RENO journey of our 25-year-old home, his office transformation. Well, hey, good morning. I did not film myself painting this room, but I am just about finished in the office. I hurried up and hung the clock because I wanted to see how the metal was going to look against this beautiful, beautiful color. So now we have decided that the window or the insert inside the window needs to be painted. It just looked funny not having it be the same color as the room. Yes, I am up on the ladder. But can y'all see that? So back to the business. The biggest thing to me about painting is the cutting in, getting it just right, where it looks super neat. Now it's time for the DIY labor. We use stock cabinetry from the Home Depot. Oh yeah, that's looking good. While Draco was sanding down the old wooden bookcases from Target, I removed the shoe molding so everything will be flush against the back wall. It's always good to have a final discussion about the layout. Have you ever got tired of watching paint dry? So y'all, I had to move the operations to the garage to try to finish up, and it is crazy in this garage right now. But let me show you what's happening inside. Draco is about to hang the upper portion of the cabinets today. We're trying to get it done, but it's looking really good. We got to get the top for the two base cabinets. We're going to be putting handles on, some other little pieces to really make it pop. The office was on disaster for a couple more days, allowing the paint to dry on the shelves and cabinet doors. We left the doors open so the paint doesn't stick. So y'all, the office is coming along. We just went and picked up a countertop, but I have to show you this. This is actually laminate that already had the beveled edge. We did get the piece to go on the sides. So let me show you this. A stone shop, and this is what we were quoting for a 26 by 48 inch piece of stone. Grand total $486.71. We went by Lowe's and was able to get a countertop for $112. The side pieces was $24.98 for a grand total of $145.20. And I have to say, guys, I'm very pleased. We just saved that amount of money. So right now, we are actually ironing the edge on. Yeah, what's most important? His humidor. So I got these wall sconces from Amazon. They swivel out. They are a plug-in. And I also ordered some remote control plug-ins to activate the lights. See how this is going to work hanging up on the bookcases. So I am about to start decorating or merchandising the cabinets. I know the color looks kind of dark, but I don't have any extra light on. It's just the natural daylight right now. We still have a door that's right, a door, excuse me, that's right there. That needs adjusting. It's crooked, and we need to make the adjustments before the handles get here so that everything lines up perfectly. But we put the rug down last night. Of course, you got to do some cord maintenance, and kind of like how this corner is coming out. Kind of put the picture up to see. Let me cut the light on so y'all can see. Very dark, moody, officey like. Draco is a cigar smoker, and those are all his wrappers, and I want to be able to display stuff around the humidor. We still have a shelf that needs to go here. I ordered some brackets from Amazon, and we're going to paint a piece of wood to put on those brackets. But let me show you all of the items that I have to work in on the bookcases. I still have the family room to do, so I'm not going to use everything in here on this table, but I was sorting through what will go in which room. I know, it's a lot. And of course he has his degrees, more decor stuff, a ton of books. I don't want all the books out. He does. But we're going to see how this all ends up. And Draco did add an additional wall cleat to anchor the upper middle shelves. The good thing is there was a wall switch that controlled an outlet, so I turned the chandelier into a plug-in. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I just want to say welcome. You can become part of my family by subscribing today. If you're already part of my family, I want to send a big thank you for returning for another video. Remember to click the notification bell, and that'll let you know every time I upload a new video. If you like this video, you can always give it a thumbs up, and if you know someone who needs a little bit of inspiration, you can share this video too. Leave any questions or comments that you have down below, and I hope you can come along with us on our 25-year-old home reno journey. And until the next video.